Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Welcome. I really hope that you're having an amazing day. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium. It looks like this. This one is the premium box. I currently just have the premium one. I used to have the base box, but once I was accepted into the premium one, I just canceled the base box because it was just too much money for me. I can't afford both, so I just decided to stick with the premium one. Also, before we start this video, I just want to say that I hope that you're having a great day. I know that with everything that's going around right now, it's so hard for everybody mentally and physically. So I really hope that you're in a good place. I really hope that everybody that you love, all your family, is healthy and safe. So here I have the premium box, which is $35, but with taxes it comes out to like 37 something monthly. So let's open it up. So here's how it looks. It's blue on the inside. I'll put it on the floor, and then here's the little pamphlet. It looks like this. It just says Mother's Natures, and I'm just gonna go with the list. In the back, it just tells you all the products that are supposed to be in the box. And then this is really cute. It says packed with gloves and love. That's cute. So the first thing that we see here, it's a Kevyn Aucoin the Expert Mascara. So it's this one. It looks like this. If you guys hear noise in the background, that has to be my family, my little sister or my little brother. I have two younger siblings and they're the cutest thing ever. So this mascara, it's from Kevyn Aucoin. I'm super excited because Kevyn Aucoin, it's expensive and I've never owned anything from this brand before because it's expensive. So I'm really excited to try this mascara out, and I love mascaras and I never buy expensive mascaras, and it retails for $29. So I'm so excited that I got this in my box because I love mascaras. And the next thing it says is the Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. I don't know why they keep saying matte here, but I'm pretty sure it has shimmer. Back of it, it says gold. This was my choice. Every month you do get to pick a choice. The last month I couldn't because I think that it was like sold out what I wanted and I had to pick something else. But this month I was able to choose, so I chose the Too Faced because I have another Too Faced bronzer that I love, and this one is a chocolate gold. Let's open it up. Too Faced always has the best packaging ever. Wow, it's so pretty. If you guys see my nails, don't even look at them. They're horrible. This quarantine life has me. Let's see. I want to open it without like breaking. Okay, it's really pretty. Wow. So, and it smells good too. It smells really good, and it has a really good mirror as well. And let me see. Looks like this for those that want to see it. It's so pretty, and what I like about it is it has a little bit of gold, but it's really settled. It's not like a lot of gold. That's why I really enjoy like their bronzers. And this retails for $30, and it's one of their best-selling chocolate soleil bronzer. I don't have this one, but I have something that's like similar to this, and I love that one, so I know that I'm gonna like this one. Next thing here says it's a Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Let's see. So it's gotta be this. It's super tiny, like super tiny. You guys, look at this. That's so tiny. And this is supposed to be a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow, and it's retails for $15. I think this is super tiny. I don't think this is full size because it's so tiny. Look at this. I just think that it's really tiny. We're supposed to receive full-size items, not something like this. But I mean, I'm not complaining because Milk Makeup, I've always wanted to try Milk Makeup and I haven't. So it's a good thing now I get to try. And let's see. I don't know how I feel about the color because it's super glittery on the shade. I feel like it has too much glitter for you to put it on your cheeks. I mean, maybe for like your lips, this would be good. The next thing is the Barrington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Let's see. And it retails for $90. What? First of all, I've never heard about this brand before. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. And it's $90 for a brush set. That's a lot of money. I do like that they include brushes because you always need brushes. My brushes are always dirty and I always need to like clean them, so it's always good to have a backup whenever you need one and you don't have time to like clean up your brushes. So let's see. I want to know if you guys know this brand because I've never heard anything about this brand. I've never seen it anywhere, so I don't know how the brushes are gonna be. This one would be great for like powders, and I guess this one for like blending out like your contour. I think it would be great to like blend out any liquid or cream products. I think that one will be great for that. And the next thing that we have here is the Tarte Sugar Brush, and it retails for $12. It's a lip butter balm and it's in the Death shades. I didn't even know. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. Let's open it up. It smells good. So I thought it was going to be like a scrub, but it's actually like a balm, so it's kind of like a butter. I think that this would be great for the lips, like at night before you go to bed. You put some on so you can wake up with some juicy lips. And the next thing is the Pure Heal Centella serum. Okay, and this retails for $28. It's supposed to release irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. It smells good. It smells like a little minty. It smells really good. I don't want to open it because things like this, when you open them, you gotta start using them because they expire really quick. I don't know what to say about this. I will have to like look it up, look some reviews to see what people say, if it will be like worth it trying it out. I see the consistency, it's like a gel, which I like that because it feels like it's going to be refreshing. So that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm Premium. I think that it was a good box. It wasn't the best box, but it wasn't a bad box. This is very exciting, and also the Too Faced bronzer that I know I'm gonna love, and that I get to try Milk makeup, which I've never tried. This is also something that I needed, and it's always good to have new brushes. So I think that these four products are what made my box. I hope that you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. If you can like, subscribe, it will mean the world to me. Bye.